you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let's talk about these Boho locks that I created using Ywigs hair. I did use 3 packs of 22 inches. The hair is super soft, lightweight, and gives the natural fullness without feeling heavy at all. This is premium human hair that looks and feels natural, unlike synthetic crochet hair. It's soft, tangle-free, and can style and be curled for a natural wearable finish. Each strand of this crochet hair is pre-divided for easy braiding or locking, skipping the tedious bulk hair prep because nobody got time for that. Perfect for creating boho inspired leave out curls without the extra work, because us braiders always love when we don't have to do a lot of work. So now we don't have to worry about the shedding, ladies. The inner thread of the crochet hair locks the braids in place, preventing shedding and unraveling. Long lasting, secure wear. Using this type of boho hair for any type of braid style, lock style, it makes it so much easier because it saves so much time. And even if you feel like you need to go in once you're done with your client's hair, you feel like it needs to be more fuller or something like that, you can always go in with a crochet hook and add in more pieces. So let's get into this lock style. Once the hair is prepped, I begin sectioning. Clean, precise parts not only make the style look neat, but also help distribute the tension evenly. I recommend using a rat tail comb and clips to keep sections separated. For Boho locks, medium to large sections are common and recommended, especially if you're using curly hair, but you can also adjust the size depending on how full you'll like the style to appear. So I did go in and do medium parts for her because I am adding in all 3 bundles completely into her hair, so I didn't want it to be too many braids with too many curls, if that makes sense. I am using Dr. Girl's braiding gel. I did get this gel from my local beauty supply store, but you can also purchase from Amazon. I will have the link in the description box below. So I always prep with the braids for the locks, and then I go in and do each one individually. It seemed like it saves so much time. I did get these locks from my local beauty supply store. Once I attach the lock onto my client's hair, I do braid down just a little bit more so the lock can be secured into her braid. After adding the lock into her braid, I did go in with some Afro kinky hair at the root of the braid and crochet that in. I did crochet the curly hair in at the top as well to give it a more fuller look at the root. And I just go in and wrap the Afro kinky hair around the soft lock. I feed in the crochet curly pieces as I'm wrapping down. Feeding in this crochet hair saves so much time because it's just like I'm adding in 2 boho pieces at the same time. I added in 3 crochet strands for each lock, so that's an equivalent to 6 boho pieces. Once I'm done wrapping all the way down, I did go in and nail glue the ends. Of course, make sure it's past your client's hair. I did go in probably at the very end of the lock, and I used nail glue and I just sealed that part of the lock, and then I used some scissors and cut it. One of the best things about Boho locks is the versatility. They can be styled in so many ways. You can pull them into a high bun, you can wrap them into a bun or a ponytail, or left down for a more relaxed look. Because the locks are so lightweight compared to some other styles, they're easy to manipulate without adding strain to your edges or scalp. This makes them suitable for both everyday wear and special occasion. A lot of people say, oh my god, all this curly hair is so high maintenance. Yes, of course it's high maintenance. To keep your hair looking fresh, of course you need to add some oil to your scalp. Make sure you tie your hair up every night. You can't just be going to sleep on your hair and expect your curly pieces to last. Like, you have to take care of it just like you're taking care of your natural hair. If you don't already, please get a misting spray bottle and spray your curly pieces. Just spray your whole head every day in the morning time. For touch-ups, get you some mousse. You can apply that along your locks and your edges to smooth away any flyaways. Bora Bora locks typically last anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks with the proper care. It is important not to exceed this time frame, as keeping locks in too long can cause tangling or breakage at the root. When it's time to remove them, please go back to the person who did your hair and ask them could they remove it. If they say no, then that's a red flag. So you need to go to somebody who cares about the install and the takeout. I love the fact that these companies such as Ywigs are making it so much easier for us. When you take this style out, it could be reused if you maintain it well. In the storing of the leftover pieces that you have left from your install, the leftover strands stay together and organized. It's simple to just put it away and keep it for next time. Usually when I'm installing Bora Bora locks or Bora Bora braids, it usually takes me about 5.5 to 6 hours to do because of the regular bundle boho hair that I have to separate. But with this crochet hair from Ywigs, it definitely took me about 4 hours to do, so it cut down a lot of my time. So the pros of using this curly hair is it's very natural, and the boho looks like more of a tropical island because I'm gonna go lay on the beach. It's very lightweight and versatile. It's protective and it shields the client's natural hair, and it doesn't require any daily maintenance. All you have to do is just get you a mist and spray bottle like I stated and just spray it. I don't have any cons about this hair so far. My client, she loves it. I checked in with her a few times. She loves this style, so yeah, it's no con. Ywigs have different textures of this hair, y'all, so whatever style you're feeling, I'm pretty sure they have that texture for you. This style turned out so pretty on my client. She looks so cute. I love the fullness, I love the length. Everything just turned out so good. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Bye.